Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you want to connect to your computer remotely without needing someone physically there to accept the connection, you must configure a password for unattended access. I will show you exactly how to set this up securely using the latest AnyDesk access settings right now. Let's get started. First, launch the AnyDesk software on the computer you want to connect to. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical lines to open the drop-down menu. You may see a quick option to set up a password here, but if it is missing, simply click on Settings. From the left side menu, select the Access tab. Next, once the settings are unlocked, a pop-up will appear on your screen where you need to click on Set Password. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again in the second box. Keep in mind that for maximum security, AnyDesk requires your password to be at least 8 characters long and include a combination of numbers, letters, and at least one special character. Finally, before saving your new credentials, click on the Permission Profile drop-down menu and ensure Unattended Access is selected if it didn't default to it automatically. Once everything is correct, click Apply. Your system is now fully secure and no one can remotely access this computer through AnyDesk without entering that specific password. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.